Hi, today we're going to talk about the skin biome and how it can be very much affected by the masks we wear. So skin biome is just a fancy word to describe the symbiotic relationship our skin and our bodies have with the organisms that live on our body. And it may sound gross, but you're supposed to have all of these organisms living on your skin. And they release secretions and peptides and growth factors that actually have positive influences on your skin. And when your biome is not perfectly aligned, when you have more bad organisms and fewer of the good organisms, it makes your skin less resilient. It makes it more easily irritated. And there's a lot of things that can affect your biome. One that plays a really important role is your skin's pH. And pH is a measurement to describe whether or not your skin is on the acid side of things or on the basic side of things. When things are acidic, they are below 7, and your skin has something that's referred to as the acid mantle, which means your skin runs a little bit acidic. So 7 is neutral. Your skin is usually in the 5 range. And then basic, like soap is basic, that is going to be above 7. And so what happens is if you scrub your face with a powerful soap, you're going to raise the pH of your skin, and that's going to affect the world that all of these organisms live in your skin, and it's going to make some of the good ones die and some of the bad ones grow. So when you are putting things on your skin, you have to understand that if they affect your skin's pH, they can affect your skin's biome. And when your skin biome is out of whack, you get rosacea, you get easily sensitized skin, you get skin that doesn't tolerate tretinoin or vitamin C. And so to use all of those anti-aging products that are pushed on us every single day, your skin needs to be healthy and it needs to be resilient, and that requires you having a healthy biome. So what can you do at home? First and foremost, your skin doesn't need 15 steps a day. It doesn't even need 10 steps a day. There's really, in my mind, only 5 things that have scientific data to show that they are worth doing. And those 5 things are a vitamin C serum first thing in the morning, a good moisturizer with ingredients that your skin can use, like squalene, that are anti-inflammatory, things like niacinamide, things that help retain your skin barrier, like Centella asiatica. Then good zinc-based sunscreen. Zinc is actually calming to the skin. Some of the chemical sunscreens can be irritating to your skin. And then in the evening, you wash your face to get the dirt, the grime, the makeup off, as well as the zinc sunscreen off. Then you get to do a treatment if your skin is healthy and doing well. And those treatments can be tretinoin, glycolic acid, a little peel, a little charcoal mask, and then you want to follow that with a thick moisturizer. The second your skin gets irritated, you stop the vitamin C serum and you stop the evening treatment. And the reason for that is when your skin is inflamed and irritated, it can't tolerate anything that could throw it further out of whack. Vitamin C is an acid, it's ascorbic acid, so that can burn the skin and make it more out of whack. And any treatment that pulls off dead skin, promotes cell turnover, can further irritate your skin if it's revved up. So once your skin gets irritated, you stop the vitamin C, you stop the treatments, you just moisturize with a bland, safe moisturizer, and you wash your face with a bland, safe face wash. Clearly, the Restore products work perfectly in this situation. Outside of that, there are some other things you can do. First and foremost, I know it's hard to do, but you can control your stress. Get some sleep. Try to get some exercise or do something that helps you feel good about yourself and better about the world that we live in. There are also some new oral medication that has been shown to help rebuild your skin biome. So we've all heard about probiotics for our gut, but there are now probiotics for our skin. And 2 that I recommend a lot are the Hum probiotics, and then a company called New Company also has a skin probiotic. These are probiotics with organisms that are selected because they help the skin, not just because they help the gut. And what I found with my own skin is that wearing a mask every day does change my biome, and I get rosacea. And I think my rosacea is actually being activated by dust mites, as disgusting as that is. So I've had to start using Sulantra or a topical anti-parasitic cream a couple times a week to keep my skin from my biome being thrown out of whack because I have to wear a mask all the time at work. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope everyone is doing as well as they can in this very, very crazy time, and try to protect your skin biome by not doing too much to your skin.